yo me puedo meter la nariz aquí.
Sí, dale, say something. Dile que we're making malanga.
Mira.
No, chico. Just come and tell. Mommy's making.
My mommy is making malanga.
Malanga cream.
Cream de malanga.
It's like it's a soup. Okay, we're gonna use 3 malangas.
3.
I have 3. You put 4 there.
Put 3.
Okay. And what else? Okay, so I'm.
¿Se puede tocar?
Are your hands clean?
No.
No, I'm gonna wash them anyway. Come on, it's not even in the camera. Okay, so
this. Is that even in the camera? Put it more down, man.
Yeah, sure.
Put it there. ¿Cómo se hace eso?
Okay, so today we're making cream of malanga. Malanga is also called dashin. Is it dashin? Okay, I'm gonna look it up later, the English translation for malanga. And the English translation for my malanga, I'm gonna look it up and I'll put it. This is my son Sergio bothering me.
I'm bothering you? I'm bothering you? Oh well. This is what happens when you have kids.
Okay, he's messing with the camera. Okay, so what we're gonna make is this malanga soup. It's like a cream of malanga. Okay, so I'm starting with 3 malangas. I'll put the pictures also what they look before they've been peeled. I already washed them and peeled them. So now I'm just gonna cut them up and boil them. Okay, while the malangas cook, I got a small onion. It's a pretty small onion, which I'm gonna cut up.
Sorry, the scissors.
Excuse me, I got a visitor. Okay, so what we're gonna do while the malanga is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and caramelize, not too much, just a little bit, the onions, so it'll let out more of the flavor. Okay, so the onions are ready. Okay, they're pretty nice, kind of caramelized, brown, a little bit brown, not too much, so that's good. Okay, this is, oh my goodness, this is so freaky.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. What happened?
No, my eyes are watering. It's been a while since I put contacts on it. It happens every time.
This is so freaky.
Okay, paparazzi.
You usually have to be drunk to put them on, right?
Like the first couple of times, I had like 4 tequila shots in me for me to just make them on it all.
With 2, how many? 4 tequila shots?
4 tequila shots, I can put contacts on.
Well, you better be careful because you might put them up your nose or something. Okay, I already drained, I cooked the malangas and I drained the water. They're not that nice, they're kind of yellowish, brownish, but that's okay, there's nothing wrong with them. So I had some beef broth that I had saved, I had it frozen. So I'm gonna use this to cook it. I might not use it all. I'm gonna measure it and I'll let you know how much I'm gonna use. And in addition to that, I'm gonna use one of these cubes, a beef broth cube. So I'm gonna start with a cup and see, and just add it on. Add the onions. I'm gonna put this through the blender, but first I'm gonna just smash them a little bit and combine the rest of the ingredients. break this up. That's one of the beef bouillon cubes that I just put in there. Okay, and now we're gonna add some garlic. I would say maybe like a tablespoon of garlic. If you would like to add more, you can. Also, if you want to add salt later, you can do that. And now we're going to add Philadelphia cream cheese, and about that much, which I would say is maybe a quarter cup or so. Let it melt in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the beef broth, the liquid beef broth. The malanga has a lot of vitamins and it's great for the digestive system and for the stomach. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it through the blender. I'm going to put it through the blender. Okay, I don't have a blender. I have the bullet, so that's what I'm going to be using. Oh, it smells delicious. We're gonna add some more broth. Okay, so here we go with the second batch. I think I put a little bit too much, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of broth. Okay, so right now this is a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna continue to add just turn the stove on, and I'm gonna continue to add some more beef broth. Okay, and I have like half a cup here. That was like a quarter cup that I just added. I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs some more salt or some more garlic. No, it doesn't need anything. It's perfect. We just need to make it a little bit more liquidy. It's perfect. You taste the malanga. Most of all, you taste the malanga, and you also taste the garlic powder. It's not salty. It's perfect. Okay, so I added there, I would say another quarter cup of the broth. Okay, more liquid. So you just make it as thick as you want, or as liquidy as you like. As liquidy or as thick as you like. Just make it as you prefer. The thing is, if it starts by itself, it gets thicker as it stands. So I advise that you don't make it too thick. Okay, so that was a complete cup. So I would say that I used 2.5 cups in total. Okay, that's a good consistency. If you want it a little bit more thin, you can run it through the blender again, but I like to find little pieces of the malanga in it. So hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe, and just press the little bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and please come back again. Bye.